Welcome to this video. In this video, we'll install W3 Total Cache plugin and configure the caching in your WordPress website. So with that said, let's get started. So here I am at my WordPress demo site. I have generated some fake posts using the FakerPress plugin. So let's check the performance of site now using the 15 site plugin which we installed in the previous video. If you missed out that video, I'll put the link in the description box about setup of 15 site plugin. So let's go and check the performance. Let's go to the 15 site tab and click on Start Analysis. Alright, so this is the scores we received. So the desktop performance is 91 and the mobile performance is 69, which is quite low. So before installing the W3 Total Cache plugin, let's first understand what is caching. So caching is a mechanism by which we serve the cache objects in memory to speed up the retrieval process. So what does that mean? Okay, let's search for WordPress theme development. And here is the list of results. If you click on this button, here you will see the two options, cached and similar. Click on this cached. Now it says this is Google cached of https codex wordpress.org/theme development. It is a snapshot of the page as it is appeared on 25th of June. So what does that mean? Google regularly takes the snapshots of the pages. So if your website is slow or not responding, then Google serves the cache page. So this is the importance of caching. So now you understood what is caching. Now let's go and install the W3 Total Cache plugin. For that, go to the plugins and click on Add New. Type in here W3 Total Cache. Now install and activate this plugin. Now go to the settings menu. Now here you will see the different types of caches like page cache, the opcode cache, the database cache, the object cache, and the browser cache. We'll consider the page cache, opcode cache, and the browser cache as these are the most important settings. So let's understand these terms first. So earlier I have given you the example of WordPress theme development and the cached page like this. This is an example of page cache where the web server caches the page and serves whenever your site goes down or site is slow. This is an example of page cache. So now next, what is the opcode cache? Let's see. We all know that the WordPress is built using PHP language. So whenever you send a request to server, the PHP code gets converted into the bytecode by PHP interpreter on server. So what is opcode cache? The opcode cache stores the PHP bytecode so that it uses the bytecode which saves the compilation time per request. Next, what do you mean by this browser cache? So whenever you visit any web page, the browser caches the static assets like HTML, CSS and JavaScript into your computer's hard drive. So let's take an example of it. Let's go and search, for example, Google Drive. Now open the developers tab and here you will see the cached version of Google Drive page. So click on this. So it shows me that the HTML code, JavaScript code and the CSS, that means the browser is caching the web page into my computer's hard drive. This is an example of browser cache. Now you know the different types of caching. Now let's go and configure the W3 Total Cache plugin. Here you will see the page cache tab. Enable this page cache, and regarding the page cache method, the disk enhance method is best for the shared hosting. Now scroll down to the bottom, here you will see the opcode cache option. The opcode cache is not available in the free version. It is supported in the premium version of the W3 Total Cache plugin. So let's ignore that. Scroll down and here you will see the browser cache option. Enable this option. Scroll down to the bottom and here you will see the fragment cache. Select a method and select the shared server disk method. Now here you will see the user experience tab. Enable this lazy loading option. Next video is related to the image optimization and in that video I'll explain what is lazy loading. But for now, save all the settings and purge caches. Okay, now we are done with all the configuration of W3 Total Cache plugin. So let's go to the 15 site and check the performance now. Click on this button, Start Analysis. So the performance of desktop is 96 and the performance for mobile is 91. So let's go and compare with the previous results. For that, go to comparison. Now here you will see the mobile score improved from 69 to 91 and the desktop score improved from 91 to 96 with just minimal configurations. Now you know how to configure caching in WordPress. In the next video, we'll see image optimization and how image optimization improves the WordPress performance. Thank you for watching this video and we'll meet in the next video.